Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some Cha Siu-flavored chicken wings. So if you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. So let's marinate our chicken wings. So over here I've got some chicken wings that has been cut up. As you can see, just chop it into pieces so it will fit nicely into the air fryer. So let's season our chicken wings first. So first, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, add in 1 teaspoon of sugar, add in 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Then we're going to sprinkle some white pepper all around. And finally, we'll add in 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. Then we'll also add in, up here I got like 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Okay, now we can put on a glove and just mix all the spices into the chicken wings. Just give it a good mix so that each piece of chicken wing has some spice on it. Okay, it's ready. Okay, now we can add in our sauces. So first, we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. And add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of mushroom dark soy sauce. And finally, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, now we can just put on a glove and mix this up. Okay, put on some plastic glove, just mix all our sauces up into the chicken wings. Massage all that sauce into the chicken wings. When we air fry this, I'm going to teach you how to make the coating, the glaze with the Cha Siu sauce. It will be delicious Cha Siu chicken wings. Okay, it's ready. Now we can just put this into the fridge overnight or leave it for 2 hours until we air fry this. Alright guys, so our Cha Siu chicken wings has been marinated overnight, so now it's time to put it into our air fryer. So let me just dump these into the air fryer. Once these chicken wings are almost ready, I'll show you guys how to prepare the glazing sauce, the Cha Siu glazing sauce. We first going to air fry these for 10 minutes. And then we're going to flip it around another 10 minutes. Then in the last 10 minutes, we're going to glaze these wings and air fry them at a lower temperature. But for now, we're going to air fry them for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Let's check out these wings. Smelling very good. Wow, look at that. Okay, we will flip these around. Okay, give them a good flip and then we'll put them back in for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, let me show you how to make the Cha Siu glaze for the chicken wings. So over here I got some Lee Gam Ki Cha Siu sauce. We'll add about 2 teaspoons. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. And we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Then we're gonna just give it a quick drizzle of light soy sauce. And finally, we can drizzle some honey all around. Now we can just mix this up. Give this a good mix. Then we can just get a brush. So after the 20 minutes, we can start glazing the chicken wings. Okay guys, 20 minutes is up. Let's check that these wings out. Oh yeah, you can see all that chicken wing skin fat is starting to bubbling up. Check at that. Okay, now we can just glaze these chicken wings with our sauce. Give it a quick glaze. Okay, now when we going to air fry these again, we have to turn the temperature down or else the chicken wings will burn up very fast because of the sugary sauce that we are coating these chicken wings with. Okay, just flip it around as well. Give it a good flip. Give it another good glaze. These chicken wings are gonna taste absolutely delicious. Okay, we're gonna turn the temperature to 150 degrees and we're gonna air fry them for 3 minutes. Then we're gonna coat it again. Okay, after 3 minutes, let's check these out. Okay, looking good. Okay, we'll give it another quick glaze. Smelling so good. As you can see, it's not burning up. Turn the air fry heat to 150 degrees Celsius. Give it a good flip again. Mix that up. A good flip. And also give it a good coat again. The last coat all around these chicken wings. Okay, now we're going to just pop them back in again for another 3 minutes. We're going to check them again to see if we need extra minutes. Okay, 3 minutes up. Let's check these wings out. Wow, look at that. Okay, give it a quick mix. Looks like it's starting to burn up as I can see now. I'm going to set the temperature to 100 degrees Celsius for about 4 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, finally 4 minutes is up, so total of 30 minutes for these chicken wings. Let's check these chicken wings out, guys. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at the color, guys. Okay, let's plate these babies up. Let's check at these. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, perfect Char Siu chicken wings. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Perfect chicken wings. Check that out. Succulent Cha Siu chicken wings.